In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on dark mode for Zillow on desktop. If you like browsing listings at night or just prefer a darker interface to reduce eye strain, this is a quick and reliable way to get a dark theme on Zillow, even if the site doesn't offer a built-in option in your browser. We'll do this by using a browser extension that applies dark mode to websites. Popular choices include Night Eye and Dark Reader. These tools are designed to restyle pages so backgrounds are darker and text remains readable, helping minimize glare without sacrificing clarity. They work on major browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Edge, and Safari, and you can turn their effects on or off per site, which is perfect for Zillow. Start by opening your browser's extension or add-on store. On Chrome, that's the Chrome Web Store. On Firefox, look for add-ons. Edge has the Microsoft Edge add-on site, and Safari users can find extensions in the App Store. In the store's search bar, type a phrase like Night Eye or Dark Reader. You'll see results with ratings, screenshots, and descriptions. Pick one that fits your preferences, check the reviews, and click to install. During installation, follow the on-screen prompts. You may be asked to grant permission so the extension can modify how pages look. This is necessary for it to apply a dark theme. Most extensions will offer a brief setup wizard where you can choose default settings, like a standard dark theme or a higher contrast style. Don't worry, you can change these later. Next, open Zillow in a new tab. Click the extension's icon in your toolbar to open its controls, then toggle dark mode on for this site. The page should switch to a darker palette right away. If you don't see changes, refresh the tab and try again. From the extensions panel, you can fine-tune brightness, contrast, and color temperature, or switch modes if certain elements don't look quite right. Many people find the dynamic or filter-based modes most consistent for real estate photos and map views. A few tips to keep things smooth. Use the per-site toggle so dark mode applies to Zillow without affecting sites where you prefer a light theme. If performance feels sluggish, try a lighter processing mode or pause the extension on heavy pages, then re-enable it when you're browsing listings. And if images appear too dim, reduce the dimming level for media within the extension's settings. That's it. Zillow now runs in dark mode on your desktop, making late-night house hunting easier on the eyes.